Are your crypto assets really safe? If you just bought your first crypto, the next step is storing it securely. In this video, I'll break down the difference between hot wallets and cold wallets and help you figure out which one is right for you. Let's start with the basics. A crypto wallet isn't like your regular wallet. It doesn't store your coins physically. Instead, it stores your private keys. These are secure codes that give you access to your crypto on the blockchain. Think of it like a digital key to a safety deposit box. If you lose the key, you can't get into the box, and neither can anyone else. So, your wallet is what keeps you in control of your crypto. There are two main types of wallet you'll hear about. There are hot wallets, and then there are cold wallets. Each serves a different purpose, and both have pros and cons. A hot wallet is a digital wallet that's connected to the internet. Because of that, it's super convenient and easy to use. Some common hot wallets include mobile apps like Trust Wallet, browser extensions like MetaMask, and exchange wallets on platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. These wallets let you send and receive crypto instantly. They're perfect for beginners who want to make quick trades or interact with NFTs and decentralized apps. They're usually free, fast to set up, and work on your phone or computer. But there is a downside. Because hot wallets are always online, they're exposed to more security risks. There are hackers, phishing links, malware. These are all threats you'll need to watch out for. That's why it's important to use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your recovery phase with anyone. Hot wallets are great for convenience, but it's not the best option for large, long-term holdings. Now let's talk about cold wallets. A cold wallet is completely offline. That means it stores your private keys without any internet connection at all. The most popular type is a hardware wallet like a Ledger or a Trezor. These are small devices kind of like USB sticks that you plug into your computer when you need to use them. Since they're not always online, cold wallets are extremely secure and nearly immune to hackers. They're ideal for long-term storage, especially if you're planning to hold your crypto for months or years. There's also something called a paper wallet, where your private keys are written down and kept somewhere safe. The downside to cold wallets, they're not as convenient for daily use. You'll need to physically connect the device and sometimes enter a PIN to send your crypto. Plus, they're not free. Hardware wallets can cost anywhere between $70 and $150. But if you're investing a significant amount of money in crypto, that small cost is worth it for peace of mind. So which wallet is best for you? Here's the simplest way to decide. If you're new, starting small, and want to get access to your funds, go with a hot wallet. It's easy, it's fast, and it gets you into the crypto space without a steep learning curve. But if you're holding a large amount of crypto, or you don't plan to trade that often, a cold wallet is a much better option. In fact, many people use both. They have a hot wallet for everyday use, and then they have a cold wallet for long-term storage. This strategy gives you the best of both worlds: convenience and security. And as a quick warning, if you're using a wallet on a crypto exchange like Coinbase or Kraken, you don't actually control the keys. If the exchange ever goes down or locks your account, your funds could be at risk. Remember the golden rule in crypto: if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. Owning your wallet means owning your crypto. No matter which wallet you choose, your security habits matter the most. Always back up your recovery phrase. That's your 12 or 24 word seed phrase that can restore your wallet. Write it down, store it offline, and never keep it in your phone, email, or cloud storage. If someone gets access to your seed phrase, they can steal all your crypto. And if you lose it, there's no reset button. You lose access permanently. So, be smart, stay private, and always protect your keys. That's how you keep your crypto truly safe. If this helped you understand crypto wallets better, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto tips. And let me know in the comment section, are you using a hot wallet or a cold wallet? Or are you using both? I'd love to hear what setup you're using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.